Hey there, Andy Petoskey here, and I wanted to share with you a live version of a trade using this M15, the 15-minute harmonic scanner strategy that I've done a couple of videos on. So what we're going to do, I'm going to actually show you a perfect opportunity to get into a trade. So I'm logged in to the harmonic scanner. You can see up here, IML harmonic scanner. And once you log into the scanner, what you want to do is click on the button to scan for the 15-minute charts. And we're going to click on the NZD-USD pair. Once that loads, we come over here and you can see we have a perfect setup based on the strategy. So let me show you. I'll zoom in a little bit. Basically, the rules of the strategy are the candle must break the entry point, and as you can see, the entry point is broken, and then the next candle forming needs to be in the direction of the trade. And for this example, this is this pattern is giving us a buy. The price is down here. The scanner is showing that based on this pattern that the price is going to go up. As you can see, this candle just is getting bigger. So the price is moving up. So get into this trade. Now is the time to get into this trade. NZD USD. And I will stay in the trade for a little bit. Maybe I'll come back and give you an update on when I got out of the trade so that you understand more about this strategy. So hang tight. I'll be right back. So here I am, guys, a few minutes later, and as you can see, the price is beginning to go up, as indicated by the blue candlesticks. Not quite yet where I want to take profit. I'm looking to try and get 10 pips. My daily goal is 10 pips a day. So if we look at this, figure out the pips of where we're at. So the price is currently at 0.7242. You can see that right here in the blue. And the price that I got in at was 0.72372. So 5 pips. So right now I'm sitting at 5 pips for the day, or for this trade, excuse me, for this trade. And again, my goal is 10 pips. So we're going to continue to let this go up a little bit. Again, with this strategy, there's really no scientific method of figuring out when to get out of the trade. But we want to get closer to take profit 1. I typically will try to get at least 10 pips from the trade. So I will come back, and we'll continue to monitor this, and I'll give you an update shortly. Stay tuned. Hey there, I'm back with a quick update, and it's been another few minutes, and as you can see, the price is now up to 72459. So again, I'm really not good yet at calculating pips, but if we say now it's 72461, 0.72461 minus our entry price was 0.72372 equals, oh yeah guys, we're getting close. This is 8.9 pips. See how easy it can be to get your 10 pips a day. I'm not joking, guys. All right, we'll continue to watch this, and I'll keep you updated. All right, guys, I am back, and look at this. We are at 0.72474. Again, we'll get the calculator. Actually, now we're at 0.72480. Minus my entry price was 0.72372 is, check that out, we're at 10 10.8 pips. I am going to get out of this trade. I'm going to close it out with a profit. There we go, guys. It's that simple. We just made 10.8 pips. And if you recall, looking back at my spreadsheet, and I've got some numbers to fill in here based on the testing that I'm doing. Check this out. Now again, I'm doing actually a micro lot, 0.01 lot size. Daily pip goal of 10, daily profit of $1. So at the end of the week, I'm $5 up. And actually, I'm more than that because I've been actually doing more pips than 10 a day. But again, guys, don't overtrade. You want to keep it simple. But check this out. This is what the power of this. I am gaining so much confidence on a daily basis because I know I can get 10 pips a day. I know I can achieve that. It's simple. And the bigger your lot size, the more money you're going to make. The bigger your account, the more you can leverage. So it's very exciting. This strategy is so simple. I hope this helped you understand how to do this simple strategy. The 15-minute harmonic scanner strategy, where you can get 10 pips easily every single day that you're trading. So Andy Petoskey here. Have a great day. See you on the next video.